Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to crochet these super cute worms. I just think they're really adorable and they're also really quick. They only take about 45 minutes and they're pretty easy. It's great for a beginner who only has 1 or 2 projects under their belt. First, you're going to need 18 grams of this Sweet Snuggles peach pink yarn. You're also going to need 4 grams of this fiber fill stuffing. Then you'll need a wire, a stitch marker, scissors, 6mm crochet hook, 2 safety eyes, and a darning needle. First, you're going to make a slip knot. This is how I like to do it. Now you're going to put your hook into the slip knot and chain 2. Now you're going to work 4 single crochets into the first chain you made earlier. Alright, now it's time to start row 1. So you're going to increase into the next 4 stitches, ending up with 8 in total. To increase means to put 2 single crochets into each stitch. Make sure that you have 8 stitches. Now would also be a good time to add your stitch marker. For rows 2 through 4, you're just going to single crochet in each stitch all around, giving you a total of 8 stitches after each row. I put it in time lapse, so you may need to pause the video. Now you can add your safety eyes. Put them under row 2, 3 stitches apart. Wait for the back of the safety eyes to make that clicking sound so you make sure they're secured. Put a little bit of stuffing into the top. Put in the wire. Fill with stuffing all around it so it stays secure. Now for the next 21 rows, you can single crochet in each stitch around. You'll have a total of 8 stitches after each row. Every 3 rows, I added more stuffing. Now for the final row, 23, you will decrease all 8 stitches. You'll end up with 4 stitches. Now add the final bit of stuffing. Leave around 5 inches and cut. Pull out your hook. Attach your darning needle to the tail and sew the caul closed. Tie the tail around one of your stitches. Weave it deeper through the body and then cut. Congratulations! Now you have your very own worm. If you put a wire in it, it should be very bendy and flexible. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing to support my small business.